Hello friends, in this video we will analyze Axis Midcap Mutual Fund as it is one of the best performing midcap mutual funds available in current market. Before we go ahead with the video, let us understand some basic information about Axis Mutual Fund. This mutual fund house got established in the year 2009. Its headquarters is located at Mumbai, India. The official website of Axis Mutual Fund is https://axismf.com. There are more than 154 varieties of mutual funds being managed by this Axis Mutual Fund House, which includes debt fund, equity fund, ETFs, and gold funds. Since we are going to analyze Axis Midcap Mutual Fund, let us understand what is a Midcap Mutual Fund. Midcap Mutual Fund is an equity fund which is going to focus on investing in mid-sized companies available in India, which is going to be a large cap company in some years of time. These mid-sized companies will have capability to grow its business to become a large cap companies in some years of time. It gives you high return as it has more risk as well. The investors who are having 7+ years of investment horizon can get into investing in this mid-sized companies. By investing in this mid-sized companies, your return is going to be more compared to investing the money in the already established large cap companies. Let us start analyzing the Axis Midcap Mutual Fund. We will start this by seeing some basic information of this Axis Midcap Mutual Fund. This mutual fund was launched on 1st January 2013. This mutual fund is an open-ended fund. It means you can invest anytime and withdraw the money anytime. It falls under the category of equity under the midcap category. The main objective of this fund is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing your fund in buying the stocks of mid-sized companies in India. In the coming section, we will understand the scheme information of this Axis Midcap Mutual Fund. In case you are looking for investing in this fund, the minimum investment has to start with 500 rupees for SIP. In case of lump sum, you have to start the investment with minimum 5,000 rupees. The expense ratio of this fund is 0.47% as on December 31st, 2021. The asset which is getting managed under this fund is around 16,754,000 crores. There is no lock-in period associated with this fund. The fund is tracking the benchmark of S&P BSE 150 Midcap Total Return Index. There is an exit load of 1% if you try to redeem your investment within the span of 12 months. So far we have seen the scheme information of this Axis Midcap Mutual Fund. Let us understand the fund manager details. This Midcap Mutual Fund is being managed by Shreyas Davalkar, who is having the experience of more than 14 years and managing the asset under the management of 16,539 crores across 12 schemes. The scheme riskometer of this midcap mutual fund is going to be very high. We have to understand our investment is going to be under very high risk. Most of the small cap, mid cap and large cap equity mutual funds will fall under very high risk category. This mutual fund has been analyzed by both Value Research and Morningstar. Both of them have given 5-star rating. From this we can understand this fund is one of the best performing mid-cap mutual funds available in the current Indian market. In the next section, we will understand the allocation of fund by the market capitalization. 52.61% has been allocated to buy mid-cap stocks and 35.24% has been allocated to buy large cap stocks. Only 0.12% is allocated on the small cap stocks. By seeing this percentage, we can clearly understand most of the money has been spent to buy stocks which are under mid-cap category, and some of the money has been spent on the large cap category. The reason behind this is these large cap companies was a mid-cap company a years or 2 years back. Now they have become a large cap company. That is the reason you see some fund allocation on the large cap stocks as well. In the coming section, we will understand top 5 sectors in the Axis Midcap portfolio. Based on this allocation, we can understand 16.88% has been allocated for the financial sector, nearly 15.24% has been allocated for the technology, and 11% has been allocated for the technology related stocks. 9.37% has been allocated for the services, and remaining 6.31% has been allocated to buy stocks which are listed under healthcare category. In the next section, we will understand top 10 companies in the Axis Midcap portfolio. These companies are going to be fall under the mid-sized companies of Indian market, such as Coromandalam Investment, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance, Coforge, Astral. From the least category, it's going to focus on Tata Elxsi and Crompton Greaves. Just keep a note that these are just the top 10 companies which are going to be allocated in this portfolio. There are more companies than these. All those companies will fall under mid-cap categories. Now it's the time to get into the exciting section of this video, which is going to be the absolute return in percentage. This fund has provided the return of 22.13% in the last 1 year. In case of last 3 years, it has provided the return of 101.46%. In case of last 5 years, we would have got the return of 163.86%, which is more than whatever midcap fund that you can see in the market. Let us understand this calculation for the investment of 10,000 rupees in absolute numbers. In the last 1 year, 10,000 investment would have yielded you 2,213 rupees. In the last 3 years, you would have got the return of 10,146 rupees. In case of last 5 years, you would have got the return of 16,346 rupees, which is more than 100%. In the coming section, I will show you some of the alternative mutual funds which are already performing in the market, which you can compare with this Axis Midcap Mutual Funds. This is for your reference. You can compare this Axis Midcap Mutual Fund with the following alternative funds for making the correct choice based on your requirement. Now we have come to the end of the video. So far we have seen the analysis of Axis Midcap Mutual Fund. This is one of the top performing midcap mutual fund that you can consider investing. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please subscribe for our channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video.